The phase which is now at the end of the day here before we will put the steel for the foundation slab is the forming the edge in the height of the thickness of the foundation slab. This is the form element made of XPS with grooves on the inner side so the concrete will stick together with the boards in the horizontal and the vertical plane. The polyurethane foam is here used to glue the two XPS pieces together. Since this foam has very low expansion, we shall wait 5 to 6 minutes until it dries up a bit, and then we will put two XPS elements one on top of each other, and this will be a perfect glue prior to pouring the concrete off the foundation slab.